Hey everyone, welcome. Today I found this cool thing that actually makes me feel these high frequent vibes or something. Oh, it sounds so painful. It's like I'm torturing myself, and when I get close to this thing, you won't even believe what it sounds like. Okay, so here's the speaker, and here's my ear. Oh, ow, it sounds so horrible. The vibes. It sounds like a high frequency, like, but even higher. Like, it sounds so high. Like, if you could actually hear this sound, then basically you have, like, the same frequency as me. But I think I can hear anything higher than this. Yeah. So you can probably hear this, right? So let me get this test. So here we have it as high. So, tell me what you heard, because I heard all those sounds. So, goodbye everyone. Have a nice day. And remember to have these headphones, because remember, the GoPro channel just said, don't mess with high frequencies. And now I know exactly how torture it is to use a dog whistle at a dog. Torturing him like that is like torturing yourself with a whole bunch of water. It's like water torture. Being dropped with water for like 2 hours, or maybe a day, or even a week, with nothing but a danger, and seeing nothing but water leaking on you for 48 hours. Every day, feeling nothing but a drop of water on you every single second. Dropped on your head. It's like a dog whistle barking at you. If you don't like me, then hear this for the rest of your life. Goodbye.